हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज सोनम ठाकुर हियर। आज मैं आप सभी को अपने चैनल के माध्यम के द्वारा माई एसक्यूएल के कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट्स को यहाँ पे क्लियर करना चाहती हूँ। हियर वी विल डिस्कस what is database, what is database management system, what is SQL, and what are the various classification of a SQL language. Okay, now first one is a what is database. What is database? Database is a simply saying collection of a data. Database, collection of data. Now database system. What is database system? In our technical world, when the data is stored in a computer, then that data is known as a database system. Computer based record keeping system. So database system is a computer based record keeping system. Now what is a SQL? The full form of SQL is a structured query language. Now there are various classification of a SQL language. First one is a DDL. Full form of a DDL is a data definition language. Second one is a DML. DML is a data manipulation language. And third one is a DCL, data control language. First one, DDL, data definition language. Now here, what the DDL works? DDL works on a database structure. When we want to alter the database, create the database, when we want to create a table, then we use the various DDL commands. Now what is the DML? The full form of DML, as I told you, data manipulation language. What is a data manipulation language? When we create a database, when we create a table, then after we insert our various data into a created table, then we can say that data manipulation language commands are used to insert the data, to update the data, or to delete the various existing data. Now what is a DCL command? DCL command is a data control language commands. In that we use three commands. First one is a commit, second one is a rollback, and third one is a set transition. Here in DCL command, it controls the various commands of our database, like it controls our create table and alter table command, various transactions that we perform at the starting of the creating database, that all the transactions are controlled by the DCL command. Later on I will explain you the various DDL, DML and DCL command in my next video. Thank you.